Hey guys, Graham McInnes here again with McInnes Realty Group, and I want to do another video for you for my newest listing here in Riverbend. Now, of course, the best thing about this property, which is just right on the corner here, is it's just steps away from beautiful Carburn Park, again here in Riverbend. Carburn Park is one of the absolute best parks in all of Calgary. If you love to walk your dog, if you love to hike, just take long walks. There's 3 ponds in the park. They do ice skating, all kinds of activities in the summer and the winter. This location is absolutely the best location in all of Riverbend. Check it out. Well, thanks again for checking out another one of my new listings right here in Riverbend. The location cannot be beat. This is absolutely the best located home in Riverbend. Thanks for checking it out, and we'll see you next time.